What is a long form letter? And tell me about cosmetics in such a thing.
And Dan Kennedy is a gentleman I've known for years. I've had the good pleasure of spending a lot of time with him individually, in groups. And about a decade ago, he asked me to contribute to that 4th edition, which is a chapter on what we call copy cosmetics. A long form sales letter is essentially a business letter, again, usually used to sell something. Now, specifically to cosmetics, that is something where, gosh, I mean, we could talk for an hour. I know you don't want to, but it's about the way your letter, or in actuality, Adam, any marketing material looks. So the cosmetics of it. And there, believe it or not, there's actually an art and science. Now, most people don't go that deep, but there is an art and science of A, the attention grabbing power of something, and B, the readability, the physical readability. You mentioned something earlier. So you and I are probably similar in age, and you're right. I mean, I've got these glasses here. When I wrote that chapter in Dan's book, I could read anything. I could see anything, you know? Now that I'm in my 50s, it's like, wow, like it's harder. So if something is physically hard to read because of incorrect font usage, et cetera, people just give up. So you may have the best message in the world, and someone may just forego it because they can't read it.